Hey guys, Mimi here. So today's a very special day, extremely special. So I come today with a video. If you can guess what day it is, put it in the comments, but you're probably not going to guess, so I'm going to tell you anyway. But today is the 7th of January. So 7th of Jan, don't know if you can see that, but yeah, do you know what that means, guys? It's my birthday. Yep, it's my birthday. So of course, whenever it's your birthday, you've got to treat yourself. So I treated myself, of course. So got myself a nice little gift. I've not opened it. It came 2 days ago on the 5th of January. Of course I know what it is, but it's here. It's a big box right here. So I'm gonna unbox it with you guys right from the start to the end, so you guys are gonna see what it is. It's a nice little gem, nice little number. So yeah, I'm excited. I've had it for 2 days and I've not opened it because I wanted to open it on my birthday so I can feel the excitement, and I'm feeling it now. So yeah, let's open it, guys. Let's open it. So guys, I've literally been trying to fight with this thing, trying to open it. I've got scissors here. It's been about 10 minutes. I've been trying to open it. I don't know why they package their stuff like this, but yeah, far-fetched. It's good for security, but it's not good if you've got nails at all. So yeah, I'm gonna try and quickly do it and come back, but I'm not gonna open it so that I can not share the excitement with you guys. I'm just gonna cut it, get everything ready, and once it's ready, you guys are gonna see my first-hand excitement. So yeah, so I'm back, guys. I've managed to cut it and prep it so that I can open it on the camera with you guys, because the way they packaged it was so hard. I was there for about 10 minutes. With nails it's not easy, but I'm going to show you guys now. So alright then, so here's the box. Hopefully no just ain't showing. There we go. So let's see what we have. Let us see what we have. So obviously I got it from Farfetch, so they sent me that, which is a bit different. So look, guys, you guessed it. What do you guys think it is? Shoes, a bag, but anyways, here it is. And then I guess Farfetch, I'll put it in their own bag again. I like it, guys. They had this and they had a larger version, but I thought the large version I can't really wear every day, and this is a good size. I think this is the small size. They have extra small, and medium. Don't know if they have large, but this is it, guys. It's a nice little bag. So let's see inside. It's got a little zip compartment there. It comes with a pouch as well. But yeah, look, it's called the Cabas bag. So it's made out of canvas kind of material, but then underneath there's all leather, and all here it's got leather there, and the back as well, and obviously the handles are leather. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear today for my birthday. Obviously we're in lockdown, guys, so there's not much to do, but I'm gonna look cute because it's my birthday, so let me at least look cute and take a picture or whatever. So yeah, it comes with this, and this is nice because I think you can detach it. Yeah, it's got a little hook inside there so you can detach it. So obviously if there's times where I don't really want to carry the big bag, I can just carry this and go, literally just carry that and go, especially in the summer, because I feel like in the summer I like to carry smaller bags so I don't have to carry a lot around, because you know it's so hot, you don't really want to carry a lot of luggage. So yeah, you can see inside it's really big. There's not any compartments at all. That's why they've given this, so you can put like your keys in it, your wallet in it, your card, whatever you have, and then obviously the bigger bits can go in there. So yeah, there's literally no inside pocket or anything. It's just that, and this. So yeah, that's my little unboxing, guys. Do you like it? I love it. I actually love it. So this is it. My little unboxing. So yeah. And you can open it as well. Let me even see it. It's got little buttons on the side, so you can open it out. So this bag is very useful. That's why I didn't get the medium, because the medium would have been way too big. Way too big, because this is already big. I would have thought this is medium and the other one would have been large, but no, this is actually a small. So yeah, so I can open it and have it like that also. This reminds me of the Celine bag a bit. I don't know if you guys know the one that I mean, but you can open it out. I don't know if it's already opened out, but it's got this structure or this kind of silhouette where it goes out at the top. So yeah, it's cute. So you can wear it like this, you know, or on the shoulder. So yeah, that's me. That's my birthday gift to myself. I'm probably gonna get more stuff, but this is like my main gift to myself. So yeah, I'm gonna wear it today, and obviously I'll take pictures, so you guys should check out my Instagram, Mimi's Attire, MIMISATTIRE. I'm gonna put it in the description anyway, so you'll see it. But yeah, that's my bag, and I'm happy. My birthday gift to myself. Treat yourself, guys. You're worth it. You are worth it, so treat yourself. But yeah, there we go. So yeah, lockdown birthday, but got myself a nice little gift. So yeah, guys, happy birthday to me. But yeah, I'm gonna go because I got stuff to do. It's my birthday. But yeah, peace, guys.